Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to scan QR codes on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on camera, okay, and show this QR code. Just show, okay, and then tap on join this link. Just tap and join and your Wi-Fi link and try another QR code. Okay, just wait few seconds making the QR code. Okay, just tap on camera and this QR code, WhatsApp QR code, just tap and show this WhatsApp link. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.